How to add friends on Discord. This tutorial shows you how to send a friend request directly from the app on Android. First, open the Discord app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in from there. From there, tap the speech bubble icon at the top left corner of the screen to open your direct messages. After that, tap the message icon with a plus symbol at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the new message page. From here, tap Add Friend option at the top. At this point, type in the username of the person you want to add. Make sure you have their exact username, since Discord usernames are case sensitive. From there, once you've entered the username, tap Send Friend Request. Following this, the other person will receive a notification letting them know you've sent them a request. Once they accept, they'll show up in your friends list and you'll be able to message them directly. From here, if you want to check your pending requests, tap your profile icon at the bottom right, then go to your friends list to see any incoming or outgoing requests. Finally, if someone sends you a friend request, you'll get a notification. Just tap Accept to add them back. That's how you add friends on Discord on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.